Welcome to this brief but comprehensive review of the best products available. Finding quality products isn't easy. It requires hours of scrolling through search results, which we know you don't have time for. That's why we did it for you. We've extensively researched the best products of this year. We've studied hundreds of reviews and consulted experts, grading each product on features, construction, and manufacturer reputation. Those that impressed us in all areas were granted a spot in our final rankings. Let's take a look at those rankings now.
The Pescador Pro is a reel fishing kayak for reel enthusiasts, chock full of the features and performance attributes discerning anglers have come to expect. The versatile hull is fully capable on lakes, rivers, and inland coastal waterways, with broad sidewalls and a straight tracking keel working together to create the perfect balance of maneuverability and stability. The Pescador Pro features a new removable stadium-style seat with 2 seating positions, upright and recline, providing move-on-the-fly height options for paddling and casting. Storage and rigging opportunities are abundant, with a stylish bow tank well with mesh cover, rear tank well, 5-inch stern deck plate, molded-in rod holders, recessed tackle box storage, accessory track system, and even a center console with transducer scupper for rigging fish finder electronics. Comfort and convenience are also plentiful, with comfort carry handles, keeper's foot brace system, skid plate, paddle park, and a cup holder. The Pescador Pro is offered in 2 sizes, a 10-foot model and a 12-foot model, and are both available in a variety of stylish colors, with colored bungee and gear track options also available to add an extra pop of color for both style and safety.